Okay, so as you can see, I've cracked the egg and then I snipped open the bacon. This is what it looks like, and I've also snipped open the bags, so now what I'm going to do is to marinate the chicken. Now to marinate the chicken, what I'm going to do is the applesauce. Just give me a sec. Okay, so that's my applesauce. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there. Lemon juice. In there. Garlic and ginger. So that's how much I'm putting in. Sweet chili sauce. So that's that. And this is the amount I'm going to be putting in. I like it quite pepperish, so I'm just going to put 3 teaspoons of it. Okay, I'm going to put some black pepper, a little bit of black pepper in there. I'm going to put a little bit of sea salt. Now, because I'm going to be using the Saladmaster electric skillet, now usually what happens, that is the amount of salt I'm going to use. Usually the nutrients that are in the chicken when you fry using Saladmaster are still inside, and as a result I don't put too much extra flavors in it because then it becomes too sweet. And also putting too much flavoring into your food, some of those flavors do actually lead to you getting the lifestyle diseases mentioned in the first video. Okay, so I've marinated it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is put on my electric skillet. This is a Saladmaster electric, or you call electric skillet. So before I put it on, first of all I put this probe right in here. Okay. Now always remember, this goes in first before you put it in. Okay, so bear with me, this got a little bit of sauce, so I'm going to clean it up. Okay, so I'm going to plug this to the wall. Okay, I need it away from this because this gets quite hot. Okay, so I need this away from me, and I'll put it on. So now if you can see here, you can see the temperature probe. So I press this first, and then I need this at 150, because what I'm going to do is to fry the egg first. So I need the temperature at 150 to fry the egg. Okay, so what happens is once I've put it on, you can see now that it's blinking. This means that my skillet is heating up, and then once it gets to 150, it would actually stop blinking. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is to put oil. I'm just going to put 2 teaspoons of oil. Okay, remember what we're trying to do is to cook as healthy as possible, so to actually try to use little or no oil. Now to fry the egg, if I put the egg in here, it will stick, so I need to put just 2 teaspoons to be able to fry my egg.